Hey, welcome back to the World Memory Championships. How are you all doing? Right, here we go. Let's put that back there. The midweek shave. I'm feeling a little better. Chest infection's on the way out. Still a little bit flushed, but hey ho, we're gonna have a good shave. Okay, look at that in the official John Shaves Super Soaker. I'm sure you know. I've got it here, look. From Frankshaving, thank you Frank, kindly see the gold shimmering in that, eh? Come a chameleon. Why am I singing that? Yeah. Red, gold and green. Red, gold and green. There you go. Well, so we've got that in the official John Shaves Super Soaker. If that song gets stuck in your head for the rest of the day, don't blame me. Honestly, right, what we're doing now, the razor courtesy of Mark Davis. Check this out, check this bad boy, Henson razor. I'm assuming that's the AL13. I think it is. Absolutely beautiful. Thank you, Mark Davis, for yet another spectacular gift. What are we going to be putting in that? You've probably seen by the thumbnail, the Kai. We're going to put the Kai. Why am I putting a Kai in this? When Mark sent me those blades, the RK blades, I think, that come with the Henson. Well, I've used a Henson only once in my whole entire little life. And it was so mild. It's the only time I've had to have a shave after recording a video. I had to get another razor. Have a shave. It was so mild. Oh my word. There you go. So we'll put that in there. So I'm using the Kai because they're a hair's width wider, aren't they? And it may just take it up. That's locked in place. Beautiful razor, beautifully crafted, and copper is known for its heat retaining properties. So when we put that in the hot water, should get a nice hot shave. Look at that blade alignment, guys. Look, absolutely wonderful. Thank you, Mark. We're going to have a good shave with that. I'm sure I feel it in my water. What's the star of the show here today? Look, there you go. PAA boat drinks. Now, there you go. PAA. Did I just say PAA? Stirling. That's because I heard you all then shouting at YouTube, yeah. Diddly, let me see now, right now, really go. The scent is a delicious blend of banana, coconut, rum, frangipani and tangerine. Our goal was to capture the essence of this intoxicating tune. And we think we've done just that. They have. Now look. Look at that, guys. Don't make the mistake I did and wear a white t-shirt. The lather has a slight hue to it. Some dropped on the shirt, brown stain, it's never come out. I think that may be, oh my word, what am I getting? I'm getting banana, pineapple, and I'm getting something else. I think it's the frangipani. It's making it nice and creamy. There you go, frangipani, nice and creamy. But here we go. What balm are we going to be using? Sterling Duke. Now, I was surprised how well these two got on, how well suited they are to each other. The scent notes of Duke did leave a masculine, spicy and subtle floral blend of ginger, cardamom, cedarwood, nutmeg, rose, amber and tonka bean. Duke is a beautiful mixture for the modern man, inspired by Burberry Brit. Now, it does. These two, that soap and that, they smell, they complement each other. They're different, but they slot together like pieces of a jigsaw. They complement each other. Very, very nice. That French shaving brush is Badger. How do you know it's Badger, John? Because I put it into soak last night, and although there was no smell of funk from it, the water did change colour. Not so today, as I can see in the official John Shaves Super Soaker. So as guided by that font of all knowledge, Bradley, over there in Texas, right? I've soaked it for about 15 minutes. I've got it quite wet, and I'm going in with a strongly scented, dark so as you can see, because I just showed you before. Oh man, look, do you see what I mean? Can you see the colour? Well, you see that? Just a word to the wise, I got it, lovely, beautiful white t-shirt. Yeah, there you go. So what we'll do, it's quite soft, the scent strength I would put on this, smack bang in the middle, about a 5. It is quite soft. So what we're going to do is we're going to load on the brush, lather on face. Oh guys, can you tell I'm feeling better? I'm not a very good invalid, me, at all. Still some of the chestiness hanging on. So what am I getting now? The pineapple comes through when you lather up. It's just absolutely wonderful. Almost dip the tips. I'm saying this is a badger. It looks and feels like a badger, and it behaves like a badger. But historically, my experience with lathering from badgers haven't been that great, but not so with this one. That's okay. Okay, come on. Here we go. Henson, or Captain Cormover's making a return. I need... Right, I can tell you before I even feel it, that surprised me now. Because I felt that taking the hair off. Yeah. That's actually quite, that surprised me, that. A Kai blade wouldn't make that much difference. That's really, they must have altered the engineering, because I got one of the first ever ones that came out. Yeah, they must have changed. They must have changed this. It's still mild, I can tell it's still mild, but it's way more efficient than I remember the last one being. But then again, it's not like my memory not to play tricks on me. So, oh my word. Let me know what your shave is, guys. If you've used a Henson, let me know what you think of it. If you've used this particular Henson, the copper one, let me know. Now I've gone over the cold sores, but you can see the healing quite well, aren't they? After the trauma of the last video. You know, when I just decided to slice my face off. Oh, thanks to everybody. Had some good input from that. Some good feedback from that video. I'll definitely be using the razor iron again. Oh, yeah, here we go. Now the badger's coming into its own, look. It's quite scritchy. Yeah. So all tips gratefully received on badger hair. Bradley was telling me soak it. I soaked it, but I don't think I soaked it long enough. And don't forget, guys, this is its maiden voyage. It's only been soaked once. But it's doing okay. You can tell by the feel it's a quality brush. So thank you once again to Frankshaving. I remember right at the start of my YouTube channel I used Henson razor. And like I said, it was so mild. I feel bad. I do feel bad, guys. I do. Because I always think, even if you've got something that's not nice to say, you can say it with positivity and you can put a positive spin. And I do try to believe. But I was shaving with the Henson, and I was so disappointed. And I wasn't very, well, I wasn't very nice about it, shall we say. But Henson, bless them, they got in touch. Now at the time, they did a more aggressive one. But I think it was only available. Feel free to correct me in the comments. I think the more aggressive one was only available in stainless steel or titanium, I think. And Henson got in touch with me and said, we'll send you, free of charge, we'll send you the more aggressive one. And I said, no, it's okay. No, it's okay. I was so hacked off with it. But it wasn't shaving like this. And like I said, the razor blade doesn't make that much difference. So I think that if you know something, if you're on the inside or you've heard something, or you know something, let me know in the comments. But that is definitely more efficient than the first Henson razor I shaved with. Definitely. That's okay. I'll get in it. Yeah, and my beard, guys. It was like iron filings today. And we're doing okay. We're doing okay. We're doing much better than I remember the Henson stuff. Also, let me know what your shares of the day are. And anything else. Happy birthday to Angelo. Don't mention in the comments that I said that to him. I want to see if you watch what we at 12 minutes, see? Yeah, 12 minutes. So I'll know now, Angelo, whether or not you're watching the whole video. Just saying. Oh my word. Yeah, this is definitely way more efficient than I remember. I mean, way more. Doesn't that just go to prove you should give something a second chance? I know this was given to me. A very kind, very generous gift. Had it not been given to me, I don't think I'd have bought it. But then wouldn't I be missing out? Wouldn't I just be missing out? Yeah. That's okay, you know, guys. A lot of mittens. That's a bit wet. Here we go. Do you know what? It's alright. It's done okay, you know, guys. It's done okay. It has. Oh. Thank you, Mark Davis, once again. An excellent shaver. This would be a good daily shaver again, guys. I'm impressed. I am impressed with that. Very, very pleasantly surprised with that. At just what a good shave that actually was. Oh, yeah. And let me know if you know about the engineering. Because seriously, I don't want to keep labouring the point and sound like a parrot. But it really wasn't anywhere near as efficient as that the first time that I used it. Boat drinks, look, haven't even used that. Because I had the boat drinks aftershave and I gifted it. I gifted it to someone because they had the soap and couldn't get the splash. So I sent them my splash. Oh my word. Do you know, I say it every time, you don't know whether to put that on your face or drink it. the booziness and the alcohol, my word, really comes to the fore. Absolutely superb. Island man, I got Duke. Where did I get Duke from? That's probably why. Oh my word, I picked up Duke. How have we ended up with that? Oh, do you know, guys? Honestly, my memory is shocking. I won a gift card from the razor company, and I bought summer cabin aftershave to go with my summer cabin soap that's in there. And it came the other day, and I ran in and I got summer cabin, and it's backcountry bourbon. It's not summer cabin. Oh my word. And the annoying thing is, he had the splash for that in as well. Oh, anyway, I'm going. You can laugh at my leisure. All right, thanks very much. Hey, look, come on, let's do the leaning. I've not done the leaning. Getting ahead of myself. That did okay, guys. I'm really pleasantly surprised with that Henson. It did absolutely fantastic. So it's cooling down, guys. It's cooling down. It's getting darker in the mornings. It's getting darker at night. Cold, dark days. But we real men like us and real women in this community, we shine as illuminators in the darkness, don't we? So be the light, however that takes its form. You be the light from someone, and then you've changed the world, haven't you? Look after yourselves, guys. Look after each other, and look after everybody else. We all need it. And I will see you on Saturday, and we'll see if we can pull something out the bag. Take care, guys. Bye.